Hello students, let's try to understand the pH scale student. Okay, we are going to understand the meaning of pH scale. So, firstly, the pH scale, if you define student, it is the measure of how acidic and basic water is. Okay, this is what. The range group from the 0 to 14 with the 7 being the neutral. pH of less than 7 acidic, whereas the pH of greater than 7 indicator base. pH is really measurable of the relative amount of free hydrogen and hydroxyl ion in the water. Water that has more free hydrogen ion in acidic, whereas the water that has more free hydroxyl ion in basic. Since pH can be affected by the chemicals in the water, pH is an important indicator of water that is changing chemically. pH is reported in logarithmic unit. Each number represents a tenfold change in the acidity and basicity of the water. Water with the pH 5 is 10 times more acidic than the water having pH of the 6. What is meaning? Water with pH of 5 is 10 times more acidic than water having pH of 6. As these diagrams show, pH range from 0 to 14, with CM1 being neutral, pH is less than 7 are acidic, while pH is greater than 7 is basic. Some example are here. You mention in student liquid drain cleaner is there. Liquid drain cleaner, it contains sodium hydroxide. Okay, so what is the pH student? 14. Bleachage oven cleaner, okay, bleaching powder, that is CaOCl2 student, it is 13. Next, ammonia solution student, NH3 solution, it is pH is something 11 student. Baking soda, you must be knowing student, NaHCO3, it is having pH range of the 9 to 10. Sea water, that is H2O, but this is the sea water, it is the pH is base. Okay, blood, where blood is the neutral student. Milk, urine, saliva, pH is 6. Black coffee, pH is 5. Grapefruit, pH is 4. Lemon juice, pH is 2. pH 1 student. Battery acid, that is pH 1. So these are the example student. I hope you might understood the pH scale is what student, that is the calculation of how the substance is acidic or basic. Okay, and pH scale, it is varies scale, it is having value 0 to 14. 7, if you're talking about 7, it is considered to be neutral, and more this side if you are going, that is going to be basic, and less than 7 it is going to be what student, acidic. That is, it is represented in the form of pH, represented in the form of negative logarithmic of H plus ion concentration. This is what the general formula we use, student. Thank you very much, student.